boost the economy and support the Cebuanos, but also benefits our country as well. Tara na! Manure! Kumalit na ta!
So, what's up guys? I am your host for today's video about asking indigenous crafts sellers about the craft's origin, purpose, etc. So, here we have, what's your name, sir?
Wilfredo.
Wilfredo. Napa question sa mga sir, bro, gamay rin about rin sa indigenous crafts. About rin. So, first question, what does indigenous craft for you? What? Unsa man ang indigenous craft para sa inyo? Ito yung mga inaning nga craft. Para nimo, unsa ni?
Dili kasi ato magaling ang pantaliwat ng Pilipino.
Mga ancestor
na kahimo sila gina nagkumikat sila mga kuwan ito, subuhan sila mga imani.
Sa kadang question, so, unsa man yung klasiha nga mga craft mo ang kumbaligya?
Mas klase na ni, made of pandan leaves, kani ang baka, kani mga pupo, kani ratan,
Pupo ha,
mga shell. Laghan lang siya, mga pandan na siya nga ratan nga tring. Laghan lang siya, utop sa mahimo nila nga kuwan, ilahimo kung basta mamahulog sila.
so third question is, na unsay gamit ani or para saan ni sila? So
Lanin mo ka lang, kanang kuwan kisa kuwan na may plastic na sahay.
kinumpra,
Mga kinumpra, mag-grocery ka, pwede ni. Depende sa
design,
sipod. Kani pang decor. Kani, wag ka lang kay mga program-program o rin yung putan sa kuwan.
Magalan. So last question is, can you share to us the origin of this craft, or pwede ba niyo ma-share kung asa niyo nagsugod butang or what? Ano nahimo niyo?
Dito, isa. Dito man yung mga material.
Sila na matapag.
Sila rin dito. Yan to naman yung mga kaling finished product naman yung tambol ko.
So, thank you guys sa pagbubog ng mga interview questions, sir.
Salamat.
Thank you for your time.
Hi guys, so I'm here in Carbon and I'm here to promote this basket. This is a multifunctional, you can put everything here. So what you're waiting for? Buy now.
Hello everyone, so today I'm here in Carbon, so I'm promoting this handicraft. So it is Ligo. So this Ligo is made from bamboo splinter in a circular form with a thin bamboo sheet and rattan. So it is used to removing the holes in the milled rice mill. So what are you waiting for? So buy now.
Hello everyone, my name is Isaiah Gizore and I'm here in Carbon and I want you to promote this. This is Dito plate made by Dito Vines. It is used for serving and dining plate. What are you waiting for? Buy this now.
Hi everyone, this is an example of handicraft. It is called salako. It is usually used for the farmers as their hut for the protection from the heat of the sun and also for the rain. So what are you waiting for? Buy now!
Hi guys, natin ko dito sa Carbon Market sa entering building, second floor. So to promote the pandan leaves, mo ni siya guys. So kuha ni siya ang pandan leaves na di mo siya na sudanan sa tissue. Magamit mo siya para sudan ng tissue. And halina, mamalit na ta.
Hi everyone, I'm Christian J. Sabikil. I promote the basket. Basket is made from a bamboo. This is used for storage for like food and everywhere in the store niya. Iwat niyo palit na.
Hello guys, so nako diri karon sa Carbon Market para mo-promote ang isa ka product. So kani nga product ay isa bamboo steamer made of bamboo. So unsa ba yung paabot? Palit na.
So hi guys, nako diri sa Carbon para mo-promote ang nga product. This product is mini bag. You can use this from sa mga birthday or wedding. This is made from abaka. So arat na.
Hey everyone, this wallet is made by pandan. So tara na, manuri bumalik ka.
Good day, I am Joseph Raboy. I am holding the indigenous product called Dambat. This is made from pandan leaves. There are various uses of this bag. You can use this as grocery bag, school bag, and beach bag. This bag is sported and made its debut in the fashion world. And lastly, you can use this as a great pasalubong o souvenir. Tara na, manoroy o mamalit na ta!
Something we learned about indigenous craft is that it offers valuable lessons that go beyond aesthetics, reflecting a deep connection to nature, culture, and community. Tara na, manoroy o mamalit na ta!
So that's all, folks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something about indigenous craft and the importance of it. See you again. Adios. Hi everyone, this wallet is made by Pandan.